Welcome back to lecture series on geology related natural hazards and their management. Today we are discussing a new module entitled Volcanism. Dear students, I hope that you know what is volcanism. Volcanism is the process by which magma and its contained gases and pyroclastic materials are extruded on the surface or into the atmosphere. At present, 550 volcanoes are active in the world. Examples are Mauna Loa, Mount Vesuvius, etc. Volcanologists classify volcanoes into three groups such as active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes and extinct volcanoes. A dormant volcano is one that isn't currently active or erupting, but geologists think that it's still capable of erupting. Extinct volcanoes are those that scientists consider unlikely to erupt again because the volcano no longer has a lava supply. Examples of extinct volcanoes are many volcanoes on the Hawaiian Emperor Seamount chain in the Pacific Ocean. Volcanology is the study of volcanoes, lava, magma and related geological, geophysical and geochemical phenomena. What are the active volcanoes in the world? Chaithan, located in southern Chile, Mayon, which exists in Philippines, Mount Etna in Italy, Vakari in New Zealand, Mount St. Helens, which is located in USA, Popocatépetl, located in Mexico, Kilauea, which is seen in Hawaiian island, Mauna Loa, which is also seen in Hawaii island. There are dormant volcanoes also that I have already mentioned. What are the major dormant volcanoes in the world? Mauna Kea, which is located at islands of Hawaii, Seli Cintadas, which is located at Portugal, Mount Tide, seen in Spain, Mount Ararat, which is located at Italy, Mount Hood, which is seen at USA, Agua de Pau, seen in Sao Paulo Island, Mount Rainier, which is at Washington. There are extinct volcanoes also that also I have mentioned. What are the major extinct volcanoes in the world? Cofre de Perole, which exists at Mexico, Mount Vesuvius at Asia and Mondo in Australia. Next we can discuss about causes of volcanism. The earth has plates, and when two plates hit each other, one goes under and becomes molten, which means it gets so hot, the ground turns into liquid. The molten stuff finds a hole in the ground and comes out of the top. All of the continents used to be just one big piece of land, but the land broke up and floated away and created the 7 continents we have now. This was called the continental drift. I think you know well. Because of the way the ground broke, it created plates. Even though the ground is heavy, the plates continue to move, and that can cause earthquakes and volcanoes. The molten stuff, as I mentioned earlier, will find a hole in the ground and comes out the top. When the molten stuff is in the volcano, it is called magma. When it explodes, it is called lava. Next, we can discuss about volcanic materials. What are the different types of materials in which ejecting in connection with the volcanic eruption? Volcanic gases. Volcanic gases actually include a variety of substances given off by active volcanoes. These include gases in which trapped in cavities, that is, the cavities in volcanic rocks, then dissolved or dissociated gases in magma and lava, or gases emanating directly from lava or indirectly through groundwater heated by volcanic action. The sources of volcanic gases on the earth's surface chiefly include groundwater and its atmosphere, primordial and recycled constituents from earth mantle, assimilated constituents from earth crust, etc. Substances that may become gaseous or give off gases when heated are termed as volatile substances. You can see different types of volatile substances in the erupted materials in connection with volcanic eruption. This picture shows the volcanic gases that are leaving to the atmosphere with the dust and tephra during the eruption of volcano at Augustine during 2006. Next, we can discuss about lava flows. A lava flow is moving outpouring of magma, which is created during a non-explosive effusive eruption. When it has stopped moving, lava solidifies to form igneous rocks. The term lava flow is commonly shortened to lava. Explosive eruptions produce a mixture of volcanic ash and other fragments. Normally, it is called tephra rather than lava flows. The word lava comes from Italian and is probably derived from the Latin word labs, which means a fall or slide. This picture shows a major lava flow during a rift eruption at Krafla region of Iceland during 1984. Next, we can discuss about pyroclastic materials. What is pyroclastic material? Pyroclastic material is another name for a cloud of ash, lava fragments carried through the air and vapor. Such a flow is usually very hot and moves rapidly due to buoyancy provided by vapors, that is the vapors in the magma. Pyroclastic flows can extend miles from the volcano and devastate life and property within their paths. Damage from pyroclastic flows can occur by impact of rock fragments moving at high speeds or burial of the surface with ash and coarser debris a foot or more thick. Hot pyroclastic surges may start fires and kill or burn people and animals. This picture shows the pyroclastic material. This is also pyroclastic material. I would like to give you a brief picture about types of volcanoes. First one is shield volcano. A shield volcano is a type of volcano, usually built almost entirely of fluid lava flows. They are named for their large size and low profile, resembling a various shield. This is caused by highly fluid lava. They erupt, which travels farther than lava erupted from more explosive volcanoes. This results in the steady accumulation of broad sheets of lava, building up the shield volcano's distinctive structure or form. This picture shows what is a shield volcano. Another type of volcano is cinder cones. A cinder cone or scoria cone is a steep conical hill of volcanic fragments that accumulate around and downwind from a volcanic vent. What is volcanic vent is that the hole in which the magma erupted out. The rock fragments, often called cinders or scoria, that are glassy and contain numerous gas bubbles, frozen into place as magma exploded into the air and then cooled quickly. Cinder cones range in size from tens to hundreds of meters tall. Cinder cones are made of pyroclastic materials. Dear students, I hope that you know what is pyroclastic material, the materials in which erupted out in connection with the volcanic eruption, that is pyroclastic material. This picture shows the cinder cones. Another type of volcano is composite volcanoes. Composite volcanoes, also called stratovolcanoes, are formed by alternating layers of lava and rock fragments. This is the reason they are called composite. Stratovolcanoes often form impressive snow-capped peaks which are often exceeding 2,500 meter in height, 1,000 square kilometer in surface and 400 kilometer cube in volume. Between eruptions, they are often so quiet they seem extinct. Composite volcanoes usually erupt in an explosive way. This is usually caused by viscous magma. This picture shows composite volcano. Another type of volcano is lava domes. What is lava dome? Lava dome is a roughly circular mount shaped protrusion resulting from the slow extrusion of viscous lava from a volcano. The geochemistry of lava domes can vary from basalt to rhyolite, although most preserved domes tend to have high silica content. The characteristic dome shape is attributed to high viscosity that prevents the lava from flowing very far. This high viscosity can be obtained in two ways: by high levels of silica in which present in the magma, or by degassing of fluid magma. This picture is actually a lava dome. You can see a dome like structure. Okay. Next we can discuss about effect of volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions will always heat at the materials in which contact with pyroclastic materials, especially with lava and pyroclastic flow. There are some side effects of volcanic eruptions. In connection with volcanic eruption, there is a chance for earthquakes, landslides, tsunami, etc. Global warming is another after effect of volcanic eruption. As we all know, what is global warming? It is the progressive warming up of Earth's atmospheric temperature due to the blanketing effect of some greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases are emitted from so many sources. One of the sources is volcanic eruption. Another adverse effect is ozone depletion. Dear students, you know well what are the causes of depletion of ozone. There are different types of ozone depleting gases, including chlorofluorocarbons, oxides of nitrogen, etc. Of this, some oxides of nitrogen also found to be emitted from the volcanic eruption. Acid rain is another after effect of volcanic eruption, because in the pyroclastic material and other gaseous component in which erupting by means of a volcanic eruption will definitely cause acid rain. Dear students, in this table, notable volcanic eruptions in which happened in various places during different periods you can see. This map shows the distribution of major volcanic mountains in the world. Dear students, do you know which is the world's largest volcano? The largest volcano on the Earth's surface is Mauna Loa, which is located in Hawaii Island. It is a massive shield volcano constructed by countless lava flows. When measured from the base to the top, the pile of lava measures more than 17,000 meters. When measured from the sea floor, Mauna Loa's height is still more than 9,000 meters. Thus, it is also the highest mountain on earth. Mauna Loa is one of the Earth's most active volcanoes, with 33 well documented eruptions in historic times since 1843. This picture actually shows Mauna Loa's flat silhouettes rising above the clouds. As I already told you, it is the world's largest volcano. Next, I would like to discuss about management of volcanism. First, we can manage the volcanic activity or the hazard associated with volcanic eruption by controlling the environmental parameters in which attribute eruption. First step is bombing. When a volcanic mountain shows the symptom of eruption, by using the bomb we can distract the volcanic mountain, thereby to avoid the possibility of occurrence of an eruption in an unexpected manner. Use of artificial barriers. By making use of some barriers made with concrete or metal, we can either prevent the further entry of hot lava into domesticated areas, or we can divert the flow of lava into some other places which will never cause any harm to human and his properties. Another effective way to minimize or to check the further entry of lava is spraying water. By making use of the water spray, we can easily solidify the molten lava. Thereby, the further movement of lava will be stopped. Adaptation technique to combat volcanic eruption related disaster. The best adaptation mechanism is the community preparation. By giving proper training and awareness class, those community which are prone to volcanic eruption can be easily avoided. Another step to minimize the volcanic eruption related hazard is forecasting and warning. Seismic activity, if any, happened in nearby the volcanic mountain, ground deformation, if any happened, any hydrothermal phenomena supposed to be happened, or any chemical changes, if any happened in any of the volcanic mountain, can be detected. And if any sign of such a type of activity or phenomena supposed to be noticed, easily we can forecast and warn the probability of occurrence of such a type of eruption. Thereby, we can avoid or we can vacate the people from the vicinity of such a type of volcanic mountains. Land use planning is a better adaptation technique to minimize the hazard associated with volcanic eruption. In this planning, the high hazard zone, intermediate hazard zone, low hazard zone, like that we can divide the area nearby the volcanic mountains, which in turn helps to manage the hazard, if any, happened in connection with the volcanic eruption. Volcanoes management agencies. What are the major agencies in which exist in the world to manage volcano related hazard? National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, Federal Emergency Management Agency, that is FEMA, American Red Cross. These are some of the agencies in which exist to manage volcano related natural hazard. These are some of the pictures showing the flow of lava in connection with volcanic eruption happened in different parts of the world during different periods. Dear students, I am concluding this module natural hazard is unavoidable natural activity. We all are under the threat of different types of natural hazards. Volcanic eruption is a type of geology related natural hazard. Volcanic eruption is common in volcanic mountains in which distributed in different parts of world. The proper management is very essential to combat with the volcanic eruption related natural hazard. I hope that this module will help you to understand what is volcanism, what are the adverse effects of volcanism, how to manage adverse effects associated with volcanic eruption. Thank you, dear students. Next, we can meet you with another interesting module. Thank you.